watching a Tailslindian Gardens and Elysian Siemens feature.
Here's Sabrina. Don't mind me, I'm just taking a dump. Anyways, why have you came in on me?
Khampa has informed me via email saying that they are going to the beach for a great vacation, and we are going with them. Just think. The whole family all together for a week. And, well, he was gonna surprise you inside your email inbox, but he's taking us, including his wife and all 9 of his children, all out for a wonderful lobster dinner. Now, you don't want everyone, including Talking Ginger, to get lobster without you?
It's dangerous at the beach. There's sharks, crabs, and sharks. I think it'd be a lot safer at Ryder's house in Lynchburg, Virginia.
Pippers, there's nothing to worry about. It's gonna be fun, I promise. Just pack your stuff and we'll head out the door the next day.
Okay, Sabrina, I'll do that after I white up, flush, wash, and be on my way.
Okay, good luck with that.
I'm going to pack my stuff right now.
Okay, we're ready. Everybody from the Grand Junction home is in our van. Now, last chance to go to the bathroom.
Not me.
Me either. I already went to the bathroom yesterday.
Very well, let's go.
Look. There's Madison from my scene.
Hi there. Have you played my scene CD-ROM yet?
No. But I'll see you next week at the mall.
My, the van is packed full of luggage and people, including Darren's dog, Sasha.
On our way at last, a whole week with no cooking and no writing songs, unless I have my song recording equipment packed in my luggage.
And a whole week without Discord finally.
I thought your parents permanently banned you from Discord, because on February 10, 2021, amid drama, cyberbullying, and a recent incident where Lawler dogged Alexander V.A. Mortenson's address, you announced that you would be quitting Discord and moving to Slack starting on March 1, 2021. You cited the incident of Devin Lawler leaking your address and leaking the image of your house in Texas as the reason for your departure, along with a lack of uploading on YouTube due to your anhedonia, and your experience on the platform highly affecting your mental health.
Eventually, the departure was made permanent in August 2021 after you were constantly added in confrontation DMs, which led to you deactivating your Discord account. In addition, Angela, along with your parents, teachers, principal, and bus driver, as well as your company's boss, were all fed up with the drama revolving around you that they blocked Discord from the main router and permanently banned you from using Discord. A fellow student of yours named Bertram Etheridge said don't you ever and I mean never use Discord ever again. And that's why you were fired from night transportation.
Asha Dovagel.
And Darren found a new job for Abilene Motor Express, but still keeps his weekly front-loader job for Republic Services. The end.
I tried going on the Discord server, but it was not available because Darren is such a crybaby because he is not using Discord anymore.
I heard that, Ben.
My bad, Dipperman.
Hey Darren dear, do you want to hear the good news? Once you're at the beach, you'll forget about the Discord habits permanently since you have lost your night transportation job and Discord privileges. That will make you feel better, you know.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Very well, because I haven't gone since we left our Fort Collins home to pick up Darren and his gang in Grand Junction before proceeding with our road trip.
A few minutes later.
Now, does anybody else, including any of you that we've just picked up at your house, have to use the bathroom?
No, Chris.
I've already went. I've been holding in my bladder all day.
Not me.
Nope.
No thanks. Already went a couple times today.
No.
Not me either.
Sorry, already went before we left.
Not me.
Nope.
Not me as well.
Not at this moment, nope.
I have gone twice both yesterday and today before we left.
No thank you.
No thanks. I have gone before we left.
I have gone already.
Nope, not me either.
I already took a dump yesterday and have gone to the back room again after we left our house.
If you'd just been here 5 minutes earlier, we thought you were a no-show, so the family fun suite went to another family. Lucky for you, the Ocean View Hotel always has a vacancy.
Hey Diamond Leaf. We picked you up along the way so you can get used to it.
Aren't you glad I attended Colonial Edgemead University?
Nope. You attended a different college between our city, which is Fort Collins, and Darren's city, which is Grand Junction.
Where's the ocean anyway?
Over there, behind the shopping center and the high-rise, see it?
No.
Well, if you'd only been here a couple of years earlier.
Gee honey, it's perfect.
At least it doesn't look particularly small and seedy and there aren't cinder block walls and hanging pictures coming loose.
We are staying here.
It looks comfortable enough.
Since their 2 beds, Camille, Riley, Angela, Bodi, and Ginger fit all in one bed.
I don't think so. I am afraid you have to share a room with Jimmer and Dharma, while the rest of your gang and our children had to split into a number of different rooms.
Come on. Who wants to go swimming?
Well, at least we have the whole pool to ourselves.
Yeah, but your bathtub, which belongs to Talking Ginger, is bigger than this.
Don't worry Darren, Riley, Angela, and Bodi. Tomorrow you'll have a whole ocean to swim in along with your brothers and sisters, even the rest of us. And tonight. Lobster.
Yes, and I hope Ginger likes it.
Look, these are some of Darren's friends, Malachi, Millicent, Martha, Ali, and Annika. They have came here to join us for a spectacular lobster dinner at this beautiful restaurant. How cool is that?
Hello there.
What's up?
Hi there.
Why hello there.
Hi.
Here they come. Quick, kids, close your eyes. Okay, you can open your eyes.
It's a giant bug.
How are you supposed to eat these things anyway?
I want a hot dog, and no claws.
Ginger, sit. You can have a hot dog tomorrow when we're at the beach. Diamond Leaf, aren't you supposed to be sleeping?
You're supposed to save your word, rather swing back and hit the hay.
Okay Khampa and Ellie, good night.
Very well.
It's Diamond Leaf, whose contact was outed since we picked her up yesterday, calling from the other room. Let me answer. Hello Marissa.
Hi Darren, it's me, Diamond Leaf. You remember me from the Simple Furry realm? It is still raining. If we'd stayed at home, Khampa could have catered that big party. Ellie should have brought some work along. If I were at camp, I'd be canoeing and hiking and swimming with Alicia, Mira, Tyra, and a few others.
We always find fun stuff to do, like the time my girlfriend Sabrina and I went to the pond. Son. And you all know what that means.
Just glorious.
I just love to build sand castles.
Didn't I tell everyone this was gonna be a great vacation?
And you were right. And besides, Marissa, also known as Diamond Leaf, what college between Grand Junction and Fort Collins do you attend for any semester you choose?
I thought you'd never ask. It's American Sentinel University, located in Aurora, Colorado, on 2260 South Xanadu Way, 1 hour and 13 minutes from Fort Collins, and 4 hours and 11 minutes from Grand Junction. I have 2 scholarships, the Chappelle Small Animal Hospital Scholarship, and the Ann Zimbel Memorial Scholarship. I have 5 classes currently, and they are Business Administration and Management, Computer and Information Systems Security Information Assurance, Computer Science, Computer Systems Networking and Telecommunications, and Healthcare Administration Management.
I was planning to go to college after high school, but my parents won't let me do that.
That's okay. Not going to college, such as American Sentinel University in Aurora, which I currently attend now, after high school is okay too.
That wraps up production for Season 6 Episode 2. Season 6 Episode 3 will be made on Wednesday after Mrs. Ramirez's weekly Tesla update, which is tomorrow. Again, we apologize for the late Season 6 episode. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause to our production schedule. We'll resume production as usual on Friday, November 12th.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down tonight. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it out.
The video is over.
But it doesn't have to be.
Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell button to get notified for every video we produce on a certain day.